The Canon EOS R7 V isn't just another camera. It's a statement from Canon that APS-C mirrorless technology is evolving to meet the format while incorporating advanced technology for photographers and videographers alike. While Canon has not officially confirmed the specifications, industry insiders and leaks suggest that the R7 V will feature significant upgrades in sensor performance, autofocus, video capabilities, and handling. But specifications alone don't tell the full story. How do these improvements impact real-world shooting? How do they help photographers and videographers capture better moments? Let's break down the rumored specifications in depth, explaining how each enhancement makes a difference in practical scenarios. 1. Sensor and image quality, a new APS-C standard. At the heart of the EOS R7 V lies its sensor, rumored to be a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor. While this might seem identical to its predecessor, the R7 V could introduce new sensor architecture including backside illuminated BSI technology, allows more light to reach the sensor, improving low-light performance and reducing noise at high ISOs. Stacked sensor design reduces rolling shutter and enhances readout speed, making it ideal for sports and action photography. Enhanced dynamic range captures more details in shadows and highlights, ensuring better image quality even in high-contrast scenes. Real-world impact. Wildlife photography. Imagine a photographer in the Serengeti at sunset, trying to capture a lion emerging from the tall grass. A better dynamic range ensures the details of the lion's golden mane aren't lost in shadows. Night photography. A travel photographer shooting cityscapes at night benefits from lower noise and improved shadow details, making skyline photos crisper and more vibrant. Autofocus system. Next-level subject tracking. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is already one of the most advanced autofocus systems, and the EOS R7 V is rumored to take it even further with AI-powered subject recognition. Uses deep learning algorithms to recognize and track humans, animals, and vehicles more efficiently. Expanded IAF sensitivity. Eye autofocus could work even in extremely low-light conditions, ensuring sharp focus even at night. 100% AF coverage. Unlike DSLR autofocus points limited to the center, the R7 V's autofocus covers almost the entire frame, allowing precise subject tracking anywhere on the screen. Real-world impact. Sports photography. A photographer at a soccer match can lock onto a player's eye and maintain focus, even as they sprint across the field, ensuring every shot is tack-sharp. Bird photography. A nature enthusiast tracking a hummingbird in flight benefits from instant subject recognition, preventing focus from shifting to background distractions. Burst shooting, speed redefined. The EOS R7 V is rumored to be one of the fastest APS-C cameras ever made with 25 frames per second mechanical shutter, increases from the 15 frames per second of the R7, ensuring fast-moving subjects are captured with incredible clarity. 40 frames per second electronic shutter, perfect for silent shooting, allowing photographers to capture moments without disturbing wildlife or breaking immersion. Enhanced buffer capacity, longer burst shooting without lag, meaning sports and action photographers won't miss crucial moments. Real-world impact. Motorsports. A photographer at a Formula One Grand Prix can capture every detail of a car zooming by at 350 kilometers per hour, freezing motion without distortion. Weddings and events. A wedding photographer capturing a couple's first dance benefits from silent burst shooting, allowing them to shoot multiple frames without disrupting the intimate moment. Video capabilities, a hybrid shooter's dream. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the EOS R7 V is that it could be a more video-centric model featuring 4K 60p oversampled from a 7K sensor, produces sharper, noise-free video. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, provides richer colors and better post-production flexibility. Canon Log 3 support, captures wider dynamic range, giving filmmakers more control in color grading. Unlimited recording times, thanks to better heat dissipation, solving the overheating issues of previous models. Improved IBIS, in-body image stabilization, allows handheld shooting without excessive shake, ideal for travel and documentary filmmakers. Real-world impact. Filmmaking and YouTube. A content creator shooting cinematic B-roll of city streets benefits from higher dynamic range and better color grading control. Adventure videography. A solo travel vlogger exploring the Amazon rainforest can film smooth handheld footage without needing a bulky stabilizer. Electronic viewfinder, EVF, and LCD. A more immersive experience. The EOS R7 V is rumored to feature an upgraded 3.69 OLED EVF with 120 Hz or 240 Hz refresh rate. Provides a lag-free experience, ensuring photographers see their frame in real time without delay. Fully articulating 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen. Improves composition flexibility, making it easier to shoot at low angles, high angles, or selfie mode. Increased brightness. Helps in bright outdoor conditions, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Real-world impact. Astrophotography. A night sky photographer framing the Milky Way benefits from a high-resolution EVF that accurately previews exposure, helping them fine-tune settings without relying on trial and error. Self-filming and vlogging. A solo filmmaker can use the fully articulating touchscreen to monitor themselves while recording, ensuring perfect framing. Battery life and connectivity, power and efficiency. One of the biggest drawbacks of mirrorless cameras has been battery life, but the EOS R7 V is expected to introduce efficiency improvements, including LPE6NH battery, extends battery life by 30% compared to the R7. USB-C power delivery, allows charging while recording, eliminating the need for multiple spare batteries. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Ensures faster and more stable wireless transfers. Dual SD UHS-2 card slots. Improves write speeds and allows for instant backups. Ideal for professionals. Real-world impact. Wedding photography. A photographer covering a 12-hour wedding event doesn't have to worry about constantly swapping batteries, ensuring they never miss an important moment. Why the Canon EOS R7 V matters. The Canon EOS R7 V is shaping up to be one of the most powerful APS-C mirrorless cameras ever made. Whether you are a sports photographer, wildlife enthusiast, content creator, or hybrid shooter, this camera offers the best balance of speed, quality, and performance in a compact package. Canon's approach with the R7 V is not just about minor refinements. It's about pushing APS-C technology to its limits. The faster sensor, improved autofocus, better video capabilities, and extended battery life make it a formidable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike.